lazy girl workout that you can do on your bed or roll down on the floor and stay there. But do that workout, girl. We will literally stay here for the whole time. So stay on your back, lift your legs up, inhale, and with exhale, lift your arms up. Now think about exhaling and opening your right arm, left leg, and lift, and exhale, right leg, left arm. Exhale. Good job. Keep going. Remember to breathe, okay? Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more time and raise up. Inhale. With exhale, hands are going next to your hips and raise your shoulders up. Stay here and open and 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 remember to breathe. If that feels too much on your neck, squeeze your abs even tighter. Come on. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift and relax your neck. Wow. Take a deep breath. Inhale. I would exhale once again. Lift. And now place your arms on your right leg and open your leg and pulse, pulse, and pulse, pulse. Let's build that HIIT. Make your body warm. Squeeze those abs. And let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more time. And raise those legs. Relax your neck. Wow. Oh my gosh. So cool. When you feel sleepy, that's your remedy. Inhale. And with exhale, arms are going next to your hips. And let's open those legs and close it. Open and close. Now we are working on your inner thighs, right? We worked on your abs. But think about your core is more than just abs. Our adductors, our inner thighs, playing the key role in keeping your belly tight, okay? So therefore, let's contribute to Jane Fonda. Every time I do this one, I remember those 80s exercises. Remember when they were like wearing those leg warmers and you know, work out with a smile on their faces, like, So let's do that. I am not timing. I want you to really feel those inner thighs switching on. You will also feel that in your hip flexors, but then we will stretch them out, no worries. And now let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more time. Now raise up. Inhale. Open that rib cage. Exhale. Draw your ribs down. Bring them together. Almost like zip it up here. And open once again. And now pulse, 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 pulse. Stay strong in your abs. Pulsing with your legs. Good job. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now close and bend your knees. Whoa. Now think about the position of your spine, okay? Every time you're laying on your back, don't overarching and don't smash it down. You need to feel the natural curve of the spine even when you're laying down. Inhale. I would exhale, open, open, close, close. Okay, that will be the movement. Open. This one shapes our quadriceps. That's what I like about it, right? And shaping the quadriceps is not necessarily something that girls need to be worried about, right? I mean, unless you want like a big, beautiful quads. But what is great about working with your quads is we store a lot of glycogen in it. So adding some little extra something for them means that you will get some energy out of this muscle. And shape it a little bit. Heavy on your inner thighs right now. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more time. Now close, inhale and exhale. Place your legs next to your hips, feet hip distance apart, hands next to your hips. Inhale and exhale. Just lift your hips up and push your hips up to feel the stretch and hip flexors right now. I got you, girl. I got you. I know they are involved in those exercises. Inhale and exhale, slight movement back down, one vertebra at a time. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, draw those ribs together, lift the navel up. From here we will lift one more time into a bridge pose, pressing through your heels. Roll the inner thighs towards each other. Imagine like your hip bones are trying to meet in the middle, and then lift your navel up and send it to a spine, staying strong and hold that area, right? The core, the glutes, the abs. Inhale and exhale, raise your heels up and go in and out. Good job. Exhale. We will finish this workout with a glute burn. So I will not time you, I will not count. Just get ready to do as much as it takes to really bring that heat to your glutes. I will do it right after this one. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now raise those hips even higher and go down one vertebra at a time. Perfect. Bring your knees maybe wide, hug this time, and bring your knees to the chest for a moment. And now set them back, hips next to your feet. Feet are hip distance apart. Inhale. I will exhale, bring your right ankle or your left knee and lift your left glute and down. So halfway down, right? Don't smash your glute on the floor. Keep your glute engaged at all times. Think about this workout as like an exercise in the morning if you feel like you need to get back into routine of exercising, or even a midday. I wake up pretty early for work and finish my work around 1 or 2 o'clock. Then I go back home and have like a second morning in a way, because I have my full meal. If you've been watching my videos about full day eating, you will see and you will know what I mean. So I have this kind of a first breakfast, like full meal, then I have like a relaxing time when I restore my energy, and sometimes I do those kind of workouts to kind of switch my mind off my work towards my day, right? My other chores or my other things that I do throughout the day. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now slowly lay down and right leg goes on the mat, left goes on top of your right knee. Remember, we are doing this one until it burns, right? Until you really feel those glutes. Now bring your right knee towards the chest to stretch the left glute. Place your right leg back. Hands, inhale and exhale. Raise your right glute up and down. Remember, halfway down. Don't go past that. You touch your palm and then lift. And lift. Exhale. And stay true to your lower abs. Sometimes like check if you can squeeze those hip bones towards each other. And exhale. And lift. Good job. Keep going. And also, if you feel any negative emotion, when you feel like you cannot just get calm, you feel frustrated, that kind of a workout is great too, because it gets your emotions that you feel, letting them out throughout your body, right? Instead of going back home frustrated and outbursts on your people that you love. Just do the workout. And let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more time, and now go back. Oh my gosh. We'll step in with your left leg. Your right leg goes back to just stretch. Find your left knee with your left palm and push it slightly. Feel the stretch in your glute. And then go back and let's do a happy baby here, right? High five with your feet. Open your legs. You can place your hands on your big thumb. on the back of your feet or on the back of your knees, whatever feels right today. Remember, the main idea is we push those knees towards the floor, feeling the relaxation in your lower back and in your hips. One of those days, girls, my big thumbs will become just thumbs. Okay, we are done for today. You can stay here and relax for a moment. I will encourage you to stay here for 2 deep breaths where you expand your rib cage. Inhale. I would exhale, draw those ribs together and lift the navel up. Breathing and expanding your rib cage allows you to breathe with your diaphragm. And breathing with your diaphragm means that you are switching from fight and flight, shallow breathing, to rest and digest, deep breathing. And that is as important as working on your muscles. Okay, 2 more deep breaths and I will let you go. And exhale. And one more time, inhale. And deep exhalation, exhale everything you don't need. Set up this tension for today and you are done. And I will see you in the next video.